everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexandra Martin, and if you are one of my returning subscribers watching this video, thank you so much. I really truly appreciate it. And if you are new watching this video, go ahead and subscribe because I make fashion and lifestyle content here on my channel, as well as vlogs where I just kind of take you along where I'm traveling to or what I'm doing in Atlanta, things of that nature, you know, really fun, cute things. And yeah, and in today's video I'm doing my first impressions on this headband wig from Eayon hair. I wanted to see what was the hype about all this and just kind of give my thoughts and my details on this wig. So if you want to know more about this wig in particular and in this color, then keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get into my first impressions of this hair, this headband wig from Eayon hair. So when I got my package in the mail, which was yesterday, it came in a drawstring bag, and from other reviews that I've noticed, they had like a nice little box, which is what I like to keep all my wigs and things, like their boxes that they originally came in. But this one came in a drawstring bag. Not sure why, but it's fine, it's all right. So what you get in the bag, obviously the hair, a wig cap. I think it's 2 in here. Yeah, 2 wig caps. Just a little brochure of the hair, I believe it is. Yeah, so you guys can see. Yeah, just a little brochure. And then you get some headbands. And then you have the option, I think, on the website to get, I believe, 2 headbands, or you can get like 4 or 5. How many did I get? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. So they're like cloth headbands. So I got this burgundy one, this one. I don't know if you can really see it. It's kind of like blurry, but yeah, there we go. That, and then I got this cheetah one. So cute. I don't know if I would necessarily wear them. I think the 2 that I would really wear are these because it's for like fall colors, but the other ones, not so much. I don't really like them. That's why. But after that, let's get into this hair. So that's how it is. And let's go ahead and open you up. Oof. Well, at least it's protected. It's in this nice little knit, whatever you call this thing. And this is the hair. Ooh, look at her. Ooh, come on off, come on off. Oops, I got snagged. There we go. Look at it. Trying to get it all in the camera. This is a beautiful color. I love it. Yes. Okay, so details on this hair. Obviously this is the headband wig. I have the 99J burgundy color body wave Brazilian virgin human hair. The length, this is 20 inches. 20 inches, 150 density. What else do you need to know? Average cap size, so it's supposed to fit basically everyone. And it retailed for, I believe I got this for $142. If it's incorrect, I will, you know, correct it in the description or have it somewhere on the screen. But I know I paid $142 for it because it is human hair. And I will say, as far as shipping, it took 2 weeks for it to get here. I ordered it November 4th and it was delivered November, what's today? November 15th. So that's when it came in. So yeah, let's try it on. I'm excited. I've been hearing a lot of things about these headband wigs and it's trending everywhere. So I'm like, let me see what these are about. Because for me personally, when it comes to wigs, I'm still kind of learning about how to cut the lace and glue it on and all that kind of good stuff. And that's a little challenging for me, so I figured let me do these headband wigs because they seem a little easier. So let me go ahead and adjust this first to my head. Okay, so I just kind of adjusted the straps so you guys can see what's going on. We have 3 clips, combs, I guess you would call them. So like 1, 2, 3. It has a little adjustable strap in there. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see if we can get a little closer. There's the little 2 straps. And then this is what the cap is looking like on the inside. And then this is the headband part that you're going to put around your head. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, let's put you on. Who's texting me? Ow. Where's that clip? Now for me personally, when it comes to wigs, especially when they're already pre-made, I try not to use the clips on the side because it just hurts my edges sometimes. So I'm not gonna put these 2 clips in my wig cap. I did put the front one in because I know that will stay pretty secure. So, and then we have, oop, let me not cover my baby hairs. What you doing, sis? Oh, let me pull you back a little, just a little bit. There we go. Yes, there we go. I'm gonna have to redo my baby hairs, but that's fine. So this is, what is this part? Okay, that's that part. So this is the Velcro part. And then you just snap it on, which feels, okay, it's on. I think for me personally, because my head is so small, the strap is a little big. So I might have to add or extend this Velcro part a little bit so I can make sure it feels a little bit more secure for me. It feels loose. There we go. There we go. So I really do like it so far. And let's see, can I use any of these as a hair tie? Let's see. So you can, I like that you can do this, at least put it in a ponytail, you know. I can put it in a little ponytail, ignore the scrunchie because I would not use this in particular, but put it in a little ponytail, or I can do, and then also too, another thing, my hair isn't completely braided down, so I do have like a little hump, but once it's completely braided down, of course the wig will, you know, lay down a little bit flatter, but for the most part, it's still doing the job. Or I can do it like this, like that. This is, ooh, this about to be my everyday wig. Oh my goodness, I love this. I think another thing I can do is, can I like, let's see. Okay. We can do it like that. So you kind of can flip it side, you know, from one side to another. Okay, that's cute. And then let's see how high I can bring this up. Or actually, you can do, I think I can do half up. What is that noise? Really? Really? Right in the middle of me filming. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. The noise is done. So you kind of can do half up, half down. You just have to be careful not to show like tracks or nothing. Ooh, let me see if I can put it in a bun. This might be kind of hard because Okay, well, if my hair was flat in the back, you could do it. Ooh. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, that's cute. It reminds me of like some really cute gym hair. Like, you go to the gym, just have your headband and your ponytail. Ooh. Of course, I would comb it a little bit better, but... Hey. Ooh, that's cute. Y'all see that? I would totally wear this. Okay, so I kind of do see the hype with this headband wig, because at first I was just like, why is all the girls doing it? Why? Is there like, do I really need something that someone else is talking about? But all right, I got it. I see the hype. I see the hype. I see the hype, because it's really worth it. And it is one of those things where you can kind of just get up and go with makeup, with no makeup on, go about your business. Let me see, I'm just trying to put it in a high bun. So you kind of have to comb it up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I should have got 180, because with 180 it would have been just a little bit thicker. And for me, I would totally do like, ooh. Let's do this. Just a messy little bun. Oh, this would be perfect for when I go skating. Because for some of you guys that might be first time watchers, I do like some roller skating content on my channel. And obviously in my day-to-day life, I go out and roller skating. And sometimes I don't want to wear my natural hair out. But this is really cute. Ooh, you guys. This is so cute. Ooh. See, now I need to get my hair braided down so this can really do its thing. Because I don't know if you can kind of tell, but I have such thick hair, so I have like a little hump, if you can tell. But I was really looking at that. Ooh. Yeah, I like this, you guys. I really do. I highly recommend it. There are plenty of hair companies that do this headband wig situation. It just all depends on your preference of hair. For me in particular, I went to Eayon hair, or Eayon, I believe that's how you pronounce it. But I went to them specifically because of this hair color, because a lot of the other wig companies I was looking at, they had the 99J, but it was a bright red, and I'm kind of experiencing some new growth, so I'm like, yeah, the bright hair, the bright red wouldn't work for me personally, and I like it when it's dark like this. And if I would have showed my hair before, actually, you would see that it's basically from black to this color, so my actual natural hair. But that's why I went to this company in particular. Yeah, this is the headband wig. This is when it's in a little cute little bun. And then let me just go ahead and take it out of this. And then this is with it down. And again, I'm gonna show you guys actual pictures of it from behind and what it really looks like. But let's see, that's kind of where it's at with the length. So I love it. Oh my gosh. Ooh. All right, I'm feeling myself at this point, so excuse me. Yeah, definitely worth it. And I'm gonna leave all the information about this wig down below, including a link. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just me doing the review. I did this with my own money, so you guys would know. Nobody sent me this. But yeah, I love it. All right, you guys, so that is going to conclude my first impressions of this headband wig from Eayon Hair. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment something cute and something nice, or if you have any questions, leave it down below and I will answer for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I post weekly and I post fashion and lifestyle content as well as vlogs here on this channel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at its_Alexandra Martin. I'm gonna leave that right here. And follow me on Twitter at its_Alexandra05. I'm gonna leave her right here. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye.